one box that just falls from nowhere. $60, all of things. Watch from the shadow. Hi guys, today we are here for a new video, and it will be a long one, but not that long like the old one. But I don't know what we'll do today, but we'll figure it out. So let me grab my coffee and we'll start. Coffee's here, so I think I forgot to add some sugar because it's a little bit, it's not sweet. So I don't know what you've been doing lately, but me and my boyfriend like exhausted ourselves doing shorts. The day before, yesterday, we made like 11 videos in a day, and we were super exhausted. I mean, we just, after we stopped filming, we just went to bed and we slept like at 5 a.m. I'm sorry if you still see like some glitter on my face, but if you don't know where it's coming from, you need to watch the last shorts that we put on the channel, because you will see there why I still have glitter on my face. I don't know, I just couldn't get it all off. Maybe that's why I don't really wear that much glitter. I just can't get it off, like all of it. There are always like some spots where I could see them. Just look, I still have it everywhere. But I won't get mad today. I don't want to get mad today because I don't even know what day it is, but oh, I think it's Saturday today, but it doesn't matter. Let's do the brows. I hope you like these ears. I just got them yesterday because my boyfriend is always telling me that I look like a kitten and a hungry kitten. And I don't know if these ears are like from a kitten or for a rabbit, but I don't care. I still like them, and I like how they move like this. I'm still a child sometimes, sorry. Oh my god, it's so annoying. This glitter is so annoying. But I need to say that even if it was like really hard to do that many shorts, I still can say that I just love to do them, and my boyfriend is too. So we will continue to do them. Maybe not 11 every day, but at least 5 every day, and a long video at 2 days or 3 days or something like this. I remember now when we first did that one with the girl struggles, and we just, oh my god, we thought about everything. I mean, he did much more than me. When he invented all the types of things to just make those boxes to just, oh, sorry, my brain is just locked today, I don't know why. Oh my god, it's so much time since I did not use things like this on my eyes, and I feel them so weird right now. But I want this eyeliner to be really good, so I need to do this. I need to do this. Even if it pokes my eye right now. I literally can't see like in my corner, but it's okay. Beauty won't sacrifice, right? So what I wanted to say with that short is that it took us like many hours to do that one, because my boyfriend invented all kind of things to just make that video as good as it could. And I think it went like really well. I still like that one. And that part where those boxes just fell off from the wardrobe, it makes me so, like, it makes me laugh, because I don't know if you saw it, but if you are looking at it right now, you will see after all the boxes are falling, there is one box that just falls from nowhere and it just hits my head, and this was not planned. Fucking paper! Fucking shit! Ouch! This just happened, and it was so funny, because when we just rewatched that video and we saw that thing where that one box just fell off after all the boxes just came off, it was like I remained so surprised, and he did too. Like, it was so nice. Oh my god, I hope that I haven't put like this too high. And for that one with ASMR, we weren't trying to like laugh at people that are doing those kind of videos, but I like that thing, like with the red lips, and it was just like the makeup just come out so nice in that video. And it was like the first video that was on fast. I don't know, I tried to make it as fast as I could, and it was a challenge. It was my first challenge almost. So it was really fun to make, but my most preferred from all of these shorts is the one that we made yesterday with that art with the door, where I just like become one with the door, or how should I say this? That one was really fun. But the worst part was to stay like without moving for 2 hours. That was the real challenge in this, honestly, because I couldn't move. Because if I just moved a little bit, I ruined everything, so I couldn't move at all. But it was a challenge, so I accepted it. I don't know if you saw that concept of B-rolls, like that circular motion that is like present in all the B-rolls lately. I won't tell you how we made that, because it's a DIY thing, like we built this at home in 8 hours. I will only tell you when we hit 100,000 subscribers. I will tell you only then how we did this, and I will explain how we did this, because it was a lot of work. And for all this invention, it was like $60, all of things that we bought for this. So press that subscribe button if you want to see how we build this and what's the invention. So continue. Happiest moment. lately, like when I bought things, was when we bought this like face machine, because every mask that we made, it was like super hydrating, and even if it broke, because some of them broke on my face, and they broke on my face, still I was so happy to have that machine, and honestly it's so fun to make them. But the only thing that I don't like is that it's kind of hard to find those pills, like those collagen pills. But if you know where I could buy some collagen peptide pills, you can leave me the link in the comment section below. I mean, just if you want to help me. If not, you can just stay there and watch from the shadow. Sorry, I can't talk when I'm doing my eyeliner. Let's see how this turned out. Cute. Tell me, is it cute or not?
It's cute.
It's cute. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. And it's falling off. Let's do the eyelashes. Where's my coffee? I swear this tastes just like I have no sugar in there. And I don't know how is this possible, because I remember that I added sugar. Oh my god, I swear I missed having eyelashes. Oh my god. No, why did you fall off? Why did you fall off? It's an experiment, honestly. I feel like this is a little bit too dark. Let's make the big layers. So let's see. I don't know. I feel like I'm a little bit scared to do this. Oh no, I don't want this to move. Let's put some lip balm on my lips, because I forgot to add it. And my lips are super crusty right now, so let's put some of this blush and see how it looks. I'm scared. Honestly, I'm scared. will edit with this. So that's the makeup, guys. We are done. I feel like I can't say anything bad actually about the lips. I kind of like them. So make sure to try this hack, or how to call it. It looks interesting. So that was it for today. If you like my work, I mean our work, because we are a team, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and click that bell notification. Do not lose any of these videos.